We have recently had something amazing happen, and we have had some unseen footage released of a Philadelphia boxing legend, Gypsy Joe Harris. Now, I've only seen really grainy, poor hand cam footage of him in the past. This footage is crisp and clean, and he's a legend for a reason. When you're watching us break down this short footage, you're gonna see not only how contemporary he looks, but how educated he is. There's a reason that he was a training and sparring partner with Joe Frazier, another Philadelphia legend. Let's get into it. Baits a shot here and uses a very slick step turn to exit. Gives his opponent some dangerous looks and then exits back to the ropes. Creeps forward off the ropes, back foot first to set up a right hand. As soon as his opponent circles to the right, he explodes into a committed textbook 3-2 before exiting. Remember, distance is your first line of defense. You can see he's baiting his opponent's jab, looking to counter over the top with a right hand, but he jumps the gun. Does a really smooth walk here that closes him off to his opponent's offense before settling into a comfortable shell to defend 2 body shots. He slips the left on line here, immediately creates traffic on the right hand, and throws a 6 and is out before his opponent has a moment to even work. Beautiful sequence where Joe uses the ropes to be deceptive with range and balance, bouncing and pulling himself into positions that his stance alone would not allow. And again, his punch mechanics are excellent. I don't remember who it was, but there's a wonderful quote that says, "Style is what happens between the punches." I love the hip feint into the 6-3, decades before Sergey Kovalev did it. Even though the technique is very different, the strategy here is remarkably Soviet. Bouncing to set a rhythm, feints to undermine confidence, and distance as your primary defense. Catches a left here as he tries to walk to his open side angle with the 5, a la George Foreman, but he quickly makes the adjustment to get elbow side of his opponent's cross, freeing his left hand up for a voluminous attack. This final clip highlights his attack, great ability to balance, and I love how well he doubles up on the same side. I hope you folks were as impressed and entertained by that footage as I was. It gives me hope for the future, hoping that we'll get more footage of Sam Langford, or maybe someday the elusive Harry Greb footage. This is so much fun. Something that's really important to remember when you're watching old fighters is that the principles of combat, the positions, the strategies, the tactics, they haven't changed in a very, very long time. I'll die on the hill that the old school guys are the best guys. People can argue with me in the comments section if you want, but watching Gypsy Joe should certainly be a humbling experience to see how good some of these black and white era guys were. If you guys learned something today, give us a like and share our channel so that we can continue to succeed. And I hope that you have picked up some tricks that'll help you succeed when you fight.